When you take a bite of a hot, crispy samosa, your body immediately begins a complex biological process. Digestion starts in the mouth, where saliva begins breaking down carbohydrates from the outer pastry. As the samosa travels down the esophagus into the stomach, powerful gastric acids and digestive enzymes get to work. The stomach muscles contract rhythmically, turning the mixture of refined flour, potatoes, spices, and oil into a semi-liquid substance called chyme. Next, this mixture enters the small intestine, the true center of nutrient absorption. Tiny finger-like structures called villi absorb glucose, fatty acids, and amino acids into the bloodstream. Glucose provides quick energy, fats offer stored fuel, and proteins support tissue repair and cellular function. However, because samosas are deep-fried and rich in refined carbohydrates, excessive consumption may cause stomach irritation, a spike in blood sugar levels, and temporary fatigue. In moderation, a samosa can deliver a rapid energy boost. But balance is the key to maintaining long-term health.